Hello Capricorns, Namaste. Welcome to the Purple Insights. Here I upload videos related to tarot and oracle card readings. Also, occasionally I will post videos on other topics related to occult. So, today's video is about what's coming for you in this month of October 2020. Now, using the tarot and oracle cards, I intend to provide you with some insights regarding your relationship, your career, and finance for this month. Also, guys, I will try to tell you about any advice your spirit guides or your guardian angels may have for you for this month. Okay? So, at the end, I hope this reading serves as a guidance for you and in certain cases may act as a warning to let you not commit any action that you might regret later. Also, let me tell you guys, this is a general reading, so it will resonate with most of you but may not with everyone. And now that doesn't mean the reading is wrong, it's just that it wasn't meant for you. So keep what resonated with you and leave the rest. So with that was the introduction, guys, and now let's start with your reading. So the first card is Justice in reverse. Second is Four of Pentacles. And third tarot is Empress in reverse. The next card is North Node, Self-Reliance, Retreat, and the last one, Yamas in reverse. So, the first card, Justice in reverse, in context to your relationship, suggests if you are single, you might be in a situation of coping with a breakup in the recent past. Also, it might not be your fault as you might have been betrayed. So, some of you might feel you have moved on and are ready for another relationship, but beware, guys, not to repeat the same mistake earlier you did that led to your breakup. Okay? Do not go easy next time on trusting the person you may date, as chances are he may cheat on you as well. So, be cautious, guys. For those in a relationship or are married, Justice in reverse can be a sign of infidelity. As justice is all about honesty and truth, the same in reverse indicates dishonesty and lies. So it can be that one of you can be hiding a secret from another. Also, for some of you, you or your partner might not be having the same attraction or feeling for one another as you or your partner had at the initial stages of relationship, and you both aren't able to confess this. It can be either you or your partner. Okay? And for some of you, there might be a lot of arguments going on between you and your other half. Also, some of you might feel you aren't being treated fairly by your partner. But guys, before putting any blames, examine your role in the relationship. Okay? It can be that you might be giving your partner reasons to treat you unfairly. Also, for some of you, it might be you might be actually lying to your partner in order to save your relationship. But guys, a lie is a lie, and when your partner comes to know about it, trust me, it's going to badly affect your relationship. So muster your courage and confess the truth. Things may turn sour for a short period, but eventually you will be rewarded for your honesty. Okay? So the next card is Four of Pentacles, and in context to your career, for some of you it suggests you might have finally found some stability in your career. So guys, please stop being paranoid that you may lose this job. Okay? Also, for some of you, it can be that you might be having an insecurity that's prohibiting you to work as a team or sharing an idea that may be essential for carrying out a project, because you might think that others may take credit of your ideas. While although this can be true, but you need to find out a way, guys, before letting out that idea of yours so that you are rightfully credited for it. Okay. Also, for some of you, the card suggests that you might be holding on to a job which isn't satisfying, but still you are clinging on to it just because of the financial securities it's providing you right now. Okay. And for those of you in business, guys, at present your business might be stable and running financially successful, and also this stability is going to stay for a while, so you need not worry. Okay. And one more thing, for some of you, your employer might be holding your promotion or a pay rise. So in that case, guys, you need to be patient for a while before that promotion is being offered to you. Okay. So with this next card, Empress in reverse, some of you might feel unstable regarding your finances, despite you having enough of your savings. But do not worry, as there isn't any financial crisis in your immediate future, guys. See, I can understand these are hard times. Many have lost their source of income and obviously are struggling with their expenses. But some of you guys are still blessed with a job that promises a monthly salary. So stop being paranoid that you don't have enough. As long as you continue to spend your money responsibly, trust me, there won't be any financial crisis. Okay? Then the card North Node says you to step out of your comfort zone. Okay, so this card has showed up to let some of you know that in context to any of the major life decisions you might be taking or are deciding to take, you are advised to leave the past behind as you are headed in the right direction. Okay, so drop any baggage, guys, and move ahead. Also, for those who aren't finding their jobs fulfilling, guys, you need to give yourself some leisure time where you can do things that you are passionate about. And this is essential as it may lessen the suffocations you might be having due to your work pressure. Okay, so it will take your mind off for some time from all the tensions you might be having due to workload. So try it out, guys. Okay. So the self-reliance card is suggesting that for some of you, now is the time to take that leap of faith, guys. If earlier you were doubtful regarding taking any step towards a major issue of your life, now is the time. You may want to think about it. Okay. See, we live in a social circle surrounded by people who help and support us in our endeavors, but sometimes we need to take the matter in our own hands. We need to trust ourselves and fly solo. See, all you need to do is trust yourself and have the courage to value your opinions. Only the bravest can do such thing, guys, and this card has showed up as a challenge to bring out your courageous side. Alright? The next card, Retreat, says to block out distractions, spend quiet time alone so that you can focus on your priorities. So, for some of you, you may need to step back and view a situation from a different perspective. It might be earlier you couldn't reach a conclusion regarding an issue, but looking at it from a different angle may provide you with some solution. Okay. Also, for some of you, you might be feeling blocked lately. So, you need to take your mind out of things that are presently disturbing you, guys, and see, you can take a day or two off from work. Basically, the card intends you to halt for a while. You need to pause for a moment before moving again. Okay. Now, the last card, Yamas in reverse, also talks about the stressed out situation you might be in. So, Some of you might be in a situation where things aren't clear for you. You aren't sure what's right or wrong. You might be reaching out to others for their uh, your advice, but with this self-reliance card, you need to take the matters in your own hands. If it's difficult for you to reach to conclusions, then spend some time alone, meditate and seek answers from within. Okay? Eventually you will reach to conclusions. So now that was your reading, guys. Subscribe to my channel if that resonated with you. Please like and share this video. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss my future uploads. I will see you guys in my other videos. Till then, take care. Bye.